Hi guys, welcome to the Bequest channel. In this video we'll be talking objectives. You know, objectives in wargaming, Warhammer 40,000, but also in one-page rules, are the places on the battlefield that you have to secure by putting your forces into a 3-inch, I think, area around it to secure it. Normally you can use tokens, but I kind of want to bring my tabletop to life, so I thought about creating statues that could be used as objective markers. So I went to my bitbox and my trash, and I compiled stuff like you can see in the picture. So I used a round base that has the proportions that should be used in Warhammer 40,000. I put some rubble on it, which are just pieces of sprue that I clipped. Then I used cardboard as the base for a statue, an old square base from, I think, Frostgrave miniatures. And then on top of that, I put like a model that I got from the Dungeons and Laser Kickstarter. I spray painted everything black, and then I just dry brushed it in bronze. So very quick and dirty, but if you put it on the battlefield, I think it looks kind of okay. I also use the battle mats or play mats to indicate the 3-inch radius, and this is what I got. So I got like 5 of these statues. They look cool as statues as well, but they're great objective markers, especially if you are playing in like a ruined city or even in a fantasy setting. So really loved working on these. I think it took me about half a day or a day. It wasn't really that long. Like the putting them together was more work than the painting, of course. So that's it. Really happy with them. And now I'm going back into finishing the pile of shame of my armies. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this content, please like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you soon in another Bequest video. See you later.